responsibility to winterize the cabin in the previous winter, correct?
Yes, that's,
Okay, thank you. And so I have a